Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ.
And I'm Vanessa.
And today we are doing another
Eat with me.
Woo! What are we eating today, Vanessa?
Olive Garden.
Yes, today we have some Olive Garden. We got this takeout. We drove to Olive Garden and we sat in our car and they gave it to us, so it was okay. So I have some chicken parmesan and spaghetti, and Vanessa has the same thing. And we also have
minestrone soup.
Yes, and we have some breadsticks on the side.
And to drink, I have a Kirkland sparkling orange mango flavor.
I also have that. Have some utensils that they provided.
And napkin.
And napkin. I'm excited to eat this.
Yes.
Okay, what should we eat? What should we eat first?
I want to try the soup.
Yeah, let's try the soup. Hot.
Mmm. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, nice and warm.
It's got tomatoes and vegetables.
Noodles. Yeah, this is good.
So this was part of a deal they were having. It's buy one, get one takeout. And we also got another dish, which we will be saving for tomorrow.
Which will be
Okay. I'm gonna try some of the spaghetti and then some of the chicken.
This looks pretty good.
Yep, haven't had an Olive Garden in a long time. Pretty good.
Going to try the chicken?
Mm-hmm. Me too. Got a knife right here. Oh. I didn't know that was the two pieces. Where did it go?
Big piece.
Okay, just eat it without me.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about me, guys.
Mmm. Good. Having a bit hard time there.
But it is good. Probably the best thing here.
Yeah. For the other meal we got, I got fettuccine and another soup. I don't know what it's called.
Can't forget about my soup over here.
They're breadsticks.
And breadsticks. I shall open up and eat one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Should we cheer the breadstick?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ready? Breadstick cheer.
Cheers. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Buttery.
So good.
We are stuck at home.
Still.
When was our last Eat With Me? Not that. Our last Eat With Me wasn't that long ago, anyways. But
A hot dog mukbang.
yeah, we're still doing the same things.
Yeah. Good thing it's hot.
Yeah, it's not hot.
But it's not cold.
Yeah, it's not cold. I really like their chicken.
Yeah.
Their spaghetti is okay.
Mhm. I've had better probably.
Mhm.
Like mommy's.
I think even the soup is better,
Mhm.
but it's still good. So,
Yeah.
not trying to be an Olive Garden spaghetti hater here.
Didn't Keith from the Try Guys do everything from Olive Garden?
Yeah, he did. That was a good video.
I liked when he does those videos.
Mhm.
You need help?
No, I got it.
Exciting news today. We finished the puzzle.
Oh yeah. Did we start that puzzle in the last Eat With Me?
Mm.
Oh, well, yesterday we started a puzzle, and today we finished it.
Yeah. Tomorrow we can start a new one.
Let us know in the comments if you like puzzles.
Perfect to do them on this time.
True. Got lots of time.
Mhm. That's the bread.
Mhm. It's a lot of food.
Yeah. Is this the only thing you get from Olive Garden?
Hmm?
This is the only thing you get?
Yeah.
I should get their fettuccine.
I like their tour of Italy.
Uh,
It's where you can get 3 different items. So I get the lasagna, the fettuccine alfredo, and the chicken parmesan. Well, I got their fettuccine alfredo for tomorrow.
no, I did.
Oh yeah, I got the ravioli, I think.
Oops.
What do you guys like to get from Olive Garden, if you've been to Olive Garden?
They have so many olives there. Do you know each dish has olives in them secretly?
I don't think so.
I tried to trick you. I'm getting full. Did you get finished all this?
Yeah. I don't know about all the soup, but I can eat all of that.
I don't know about soup. Definitely not 2 chickens for me.
What about one?
Probably. Maybe if I didn't have the soup. All carbs here.
Oh well.
Oh.
Okay.
I thought they used to taste different.
You thought they used to taste different?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, never mind.
No, they
I'm
taste the
thinking
same?
of the Little Caesars.
Oh. Well, yeah, it's gonna taste different.
Yeah. Do any of you guys play Animal Crossing? He does.
You do too.
Yeah, me too. I keep seeing TikToks of people, they don't get villagers that they like, so they try to kill them.
You can't kill them.
Or they try to like get them kicked out or something. Like they
Mhm.
keep being mean to them. And then they talk to Isabel and say that they don't like them.
That's messed up. Oh. Excuse me.
I almost thought we were doing the challenge still, the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I said it.
We did a challenge on Melbeezee Eats channel. It's called the quesadilla challenge.
I finished all the spaghetti.
That's good. I'm getting full.
Yeah. I thought you said you could finish it.
Alright.
These are really carbonated. Have you tried dipping it in the soup?
I'll do it now.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Or in the marinara.
Gotta finish up this chicken. Can't leave the chicken behind.
I have a little chicken.
Favorite part of the meal?
I really like the soup. What about you?
Of course, I like the chicken and the soup. Okay.
So basically everything.
Yeah.
Just not the bread.
You like the breast chick?
I do.
Oh. Alright. So, you're fully done?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna call that a wrap. We are full. 10 out of 10 would eat again.
Yes.
10 out of 10 will eat again.
Will.
Will. So that is the end of our Eat With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and
Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we post.
thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.